In this video, you'll learn how to use Perplexity AI without signing up for an account. This guide explains the straightforward steps you need to take to ask questions and receive answers instantly, all while bypassing the sign-up process. Begin by navigating to the Perplexity AI homepage. You can do this by entering the website address into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should see a prominent search or ask box in the center of the screen, which is where you will input your questions. Next, click on the search or ask box to activate it. This action will allow you to type your query and specific in your question to receive the most accurate response. After entering your question, press the enter key on your keyboard. This will submit your inquiry to the system. After pressing enter, you will notice the screen will briefly indicate that your question is being processed. Within a few moments, the system will generate an answer to your query. This response will appear below the search box. Take note that while you can view answers without signing in, you won't have the option to save chat history or access advanced features. It is important to understand that some functionalities like file uploads or saved threads require creating an account. If you find that you frequently need those features, consider signing up for a more comprehensive experience. Meanwhile, for casual inquiries, the available features without an account are sufficient. Additionally, you can utilize Perplexity AI on WhatsApp without the need for signing up. This alternative allows you to chat directly through the messaging app, providing a convenient option for those who prefer mobile access. Simply add the Perplexity AI contact and start asking your questions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.